Get him up. 60s, that fella. That croc's gonna try and eat it. He's a proper one. Yeah, boys! Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here doing some barra fishing. We've come over to a remote little river up here in Arnhem Bay, launched in the Cato and drove over. And we just made it over here. It was about an hour drive. We're up on the flats here, up where you may have seen a video. Oh, barra! No! You may have seen a video a while ago. We're up here on the flats chasing barra. Come back to the same spot. Cody's got chased to the boat. He pulled up and there's already been some buffing. There's plenty of barra around. So we're gonna get at it and see if we can catch a couple.
Damn it. Oh look, Barra's chasing that mullet. Oh, I'd hit it right at the boat, that was cool. Oh,
there you go. Strike, 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 good, set the hook.
I got it.
Nice, that's a solid one too. He's actually not a bad fish. Yeah, I'll get it.
Gosh, I already struck, then you're still telling me to strike. You're still used to it.
I know, I'm used to seeing everyone drop fish. Oh, he's not a bad fish, he'd be pushing 60.
Oh look, another barra on that log. Josh, two.
Double hook up.
Yeah, go. Look, see it?
Oh, yeah, there.
Just over there, just in front, it's coming there. If you just cast it in there, you should do it. Where's that net? Mitch, can I have that net?
He's 60, man.
Yeah, I'll try and net him.
Of course I get a tame now. You know, he's low 60s for sure.
Nah.
Yeah, 100%. At least very high 50.
No. 56 fire.
5 minutes.
Yeah, probably like my 5th or 6th cast. Nice. We'll get a photo, measure him up, and then let him go.
Just a little fella. There's another one. On the little baggy hard body. I cast up there, I saw him sitting up in the snag. He was just chilling up there. I cast up, let it float back to him, twitch, and he come and went bang. Look at him go. Just a little fella.
Oh, look out. Oh, look out.
Good release. Sorry if I had a bit of a dodgy intro there, everyone. We just sort of a bit hectic, pulled up here into our remote little creek, and yeah, as soon as we got pulled up, the barra's already buffing. We're all super excited. We pulled up, started casting. Cody got that one nice, about 60 centimetre fish. I dropped one. We got a couple other bites and stuff. So now the tide sort of dropped out too much already. We got here. If we had been here a couple of hours earlier, we probably would have got a few more bites. We'll definitely do that again tomorrow morning. But for now, we're going to run down, just start hitting all the drains, and hopefully, bottom of this run out, we should be able to get some nice fish out of the drains, and we'll see how we go. Go down and hit them, and we'll see you soon. All right, just hooked a nice little barra to this drain here. Oh, there he goes. Have a look at him. Oh, he's hooked in the head too. Oh, he's not a bad one. He might be legal.
No.
Yeah, might well.
Straight away back at the drain.
As soon as we got to the drain, we've had some major issues with the live bait tank. It's not working at all.
It's not hooked very well.
I know. Look at it. He's gonna fall off if he jumps. No. No, move the net, Cody, move the net. Up. Jeez, she's a bit hectic. Oh my god.
hard to control a dog when
Cody gets tangled on the... Yeah, okay, good. Nice, 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 nice. He's a decent little fish. Yeah, he'd be close to legal anyway.
53.
Oh, that's it. I reckon he's 55. First barra in a little while. It's good to see. We'll get back at it. We were fishing out the front there in a little feed creek sort of thing. But we've come back in the river to smashing these drains on the bottom of the tide. So we're just going to keep hopping drains. And if we don't see you with another barra here, we'll see you at the next drain. Cody's on. Nice little barra. Ooh, I missed the jump. He's a solid little fish, eh? He'd be close to legal. Come on, little fella. Ooh. Is he going to jump? There he goes.
Got that one top hook in him.
Come on, little buddy. Straight in the net, please. He'll be close. Oh, no!
No! Mitchell!
No. Just so everyone knows too, the reason we want to catch legal fish is we're in a competition in Gove. There's like a little barra comp at the moment for the month, and we are only entering legal fish, sorry. Not really sure what happened in my English there, but yeah, so that's why I'm trying to look for legal fish. We're letting everything go at the moment. Maybe later in the trip we might take a couple home, but for now everything's getting sent back. So yeah, that's why we're looking for legal fish anyway, just so you know. Yeah, we're going to keep fishing away in this one and hopefully pick a couple more off. Maybe a real nice one. It'd be absolutely lovely. Got a nice one.
They've just started to come on in the drains. No!
Yeah! Oh, get him in the boat, get him in the boat, get him in the boat, get him in the boat.
Mitch, you gotta
Come on
move.
the cast net, come on the cast net. Look, look, look.
Hey, he's in.
That's a solid one. He's definitely one for the comp. He'd be around 60.
Pretty close, that dog.
Bit of a wild show there. He's a nice fish. He'd be low 60s, eh?
Yeah.
Woo! That's what we're looking for. Just starting to come on the bite here in this little drain. We're going to measure this dog up, get a photo, and get a few more.
You want to go?
Here he comes, boys.
See the one that Gabriel did?
Yeah, don't stand on the back there, Mitch.
Oh, look at that big swirl. Oh, yeah.
Mitch is on! That croc's going to try and eat it.
Yeah, get him, Mitch.
Just lead him in if you get him here. Just swing him in. Swing him, swing him, swing him. Swing him, Mitchy! Come on, mate, you know you're hungry. Got a big old croc out the back here. Trying to have a little snack on Mitchy's barra. He's too scared, the big girl. What's going on, mate? Oi, something just got spooked by him. After we bring these ones in, we'll poke down to... Oh, there's one! Well, I guess we won't be. He throat deep that lure too, I think. Yeah, I got the GoPro on my head, yeah, we're all good. I think he's only a rat too. Oh, he might be close.
That's a rat.
Yeah, I'll sling him on. He'd be close, but I'd say just under, eh? Oh, look at that. I meant to do that.
Quick release.
I just pressed the quick release button, detached him. Oh, you know, he'll be pretty close.
53.
Yeah, I'd say low 50s too. Oh, you know what? Oh, not quite. Close but no cigar. Yeah, perfectly 53. Nice little Monday. The rest of the afternoon from here on out was pretty quiet really. We picked a few off here and there. I don't think we really videoed too much. But getting into the next morning, we come back onto the flats where we'd seen them the day before, and we just worked our way along and picked off a few barras and got some pretty cool sight casting bites. So that was pretty sick. Let's get into that. Little barra tailing in there. Nice cast. Here he goes. Strike. You got him. Strike. Oh, keep going. He's eating it again. Keep going. Keep working it. Keep working it. Go. You got him. No! Ready? Yep. Cast in there. Here he comes, Cody. Sitting right there. Yeah, boys!
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty sick. The old sight cast and buff off the surface. How cool is that?
Sitting up in the mangroves.
That little barra there, he was just sitting up there. There's two of them sitting up there. I'm not sure which one of that one was that ate that, but
That was the one that had a crack in mine.
yeah, he was sitting up there in the mangroves. He buffed my lure when it was over the top of a stick. Pulled it out, I twitched again, put cast in. Cody got bit too, put a cast back in there, twitch, come on, ate it again. And yeah, got that hook nicely straight down his throat.
Oh, that was sick.
On the old rumblebee, not rumblebee, sorry, just a bagley. A baby bass colour. Absolutely loved it. How good. Keep going, hope to get a few more. What are you going on here, Josh? I got a little Monday and he's just over the top of the tree there, eh?
Oh, might get him. Just sling him in, he's only a little rat.
The old tea bag got the bite that time.
Yep.
Cast it over while Cody was snagged there. Saw him sitting in there. Of course, I swapped it back over to a little 3-inch minnow. Got a little 1/6 ounce, nice and light so we don't scare him on the cast. And as soon as he landed, he gobbled it. But he drove those hooks like right in because I wasn't losing this one. And yeah, little fella landed. Keep going and see if we can sight a few more. There's another little barra in here. See if we can get him to bite. It's just going under. Still there though. Yep, there he is. Nah. Bloody gill rakers, you little fag. He's a decent little barra. Just a little fella. Oh, that was a nice little barra up the back there. Alright, we'll keep going, hopefully get a few more nice ones. Come for it. Oh, he did. Another little rat. Again on the sight cast. We're just sitting right on the edge of the shade there. Might go close, probably a touch small. And yep, he was just sitting right in there on the edge of that shade there, and landed it in there. And of course, he come out and absolutely gobbled it. That little wobble on the 3-inch minnow, they love it. So yeah, we'll get him back and we'll keep poking along and hopefully see a few more. Hopefully get a nice one along here somewhere. Wait, net. We need to go straight up there. Good fish.
Josh has hooked the barrel and it's tangled round. Teabag the dog.
Please, buddy.
Josh,
What do we do? I can't
electric.
I can't drive.
Don't drive the electric, yeah. This is an unlucky.
He's gone.
And then much swearing was said. I was a bit angry after losing that one. He was a solid fish in his low 60s. But anyway, that was pretty much one of the last fish we got out of that creek. We got a couple, I think we got one little rat out of a drain a bit later in the tide, but we pretty much from there, we went, fished a couple of drains, got that little rat, and then we headed down to fish a couple of little headlands on our way home. So we pulled up on those and we'll show you how that went.
Mitch has got a nice fish here. Oh, Mitch, he's a good one. He's high 60s. Doesn't have any kill on it. Oh, shit, no. He's a good fish, Mitch. What are you on, a 4-inch swimmer? Yeah, boys! That's a bloody good fish, Mitchy! That's a bloody good barra.
I just lost a fish,
So you just jumped one?
Does a classic straight away. Cast in there, pulls out a good fish.
Give us 5, Mitchy. That's the best one of the trip, brother. That's sick. Woo! Hold him up for us, Mitch. That's a bloody good fish.
It's a chromie dog.
That's a proper chromie dog. On the 4-inch swimmer, eh? You're right. Get him up for us. How's that, boy? Love your work, Mitchy. All right, we'll measure him up and then we'll send him home. Hey, he's still another fish. That's nice. Oh, I think he's going close, you know. He's long.
Oh, fell out.
Look at that.
And she got in the boat.
Lovely. Getting a few off the rock bar. We'll keep fishing. Hopefully get a couple of nice ones.
Video, Mitch.
Video? Solid one. Come on, mate. Bring them out. Yeah, boys. That's a nice one. He'd be in his 60s, I reckon. Mid 60s, maybe. Low mid 60s. Alright, so we've sort of done a hell of a lot of moving here. We've been just sort of working our way back. Carl headed this big creek here. A heap of big mud drains. And we just pulled up on one of these big mud drains. And it's about, maybe 3rd or 4th cast. He sucked it in. And yeah, lovely. We'll get a photo, measure him up, and we'll get back at it. Another close to 60. Yeah. Is it a bluey or a thready, Cody? No, a little thread. Get them both in the net, Mitch. Oh no, Cody's slung these. Yeah, mine will be 60. Yeah, Mitchy! He's off. Yeah, you can get him in the boat. That's a good one. That's another good one, yeah. Yeah, he's better than I thought. He's another mid 60s. Yeah, boys! Oh look, Cody's got a nice thready up the front there too, little fella. Little thread fin salmon. Woohoo! Starting to rack a few decent numbers up now. We'll get him up for you here. Still very green. Come on, mate. Look at that. Yeah, boys. Lovely. Alright, let's get some more. Mitch is on a good one here. He's a proper one.
No!
I think it's a monster, but I think it's decent. Oh, nice. 150.
Just hooked and top.
Oh, that's all right. Come on, buddy. You jump. There we go. Nice, nice. He's definitely legal anyway. Nice work, boys. Alright, keep going. Let's get a couple more. A good one. Mitchy's onto a solid one. Yeah, he's high 50s. Nice, boys. Nice, nice. Very nice. Oh, he's even big. He might be 60s, that fella. Yeah, he's 60. How's that? I was just getting the measurement on my fella right there. Mitch, you got a nice one. Nice work, Mitch. Alright, we'll get these two measured up, photos and released, and we'll hopefully Cody gets a third. Alright, so that's the end of this one, guys. Really hope you enjoyed this episode. Sorry we haven't uploaded for a while. I've been away working, and Cody's just been a bit busy with school and not school work and everything, so yeah, sorry about that, but we should be able to get a few uploads out to you now. I'm back home and I'm doing plenty of trips, so there'll be a new trip coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Cheers for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.